Morning, I'm Amy Lynn. We are in the thick of hurricane season. Are you prepared? Insurance Information Institute experts, Sean and Dr. Phil, are joining us this morning to give you all of the information you need to know so that you are prepared for the next storm. Thank you so much for joining us today, guys.
Great to be here. Thanks for having us.
How can we best prepare our home or our business for this ongoing hurricane season, which I keep hearing is well above average as far as number of storms?
Absolutely. Well, homeowners and renters and businesses, first and foremost, need to make sure that they have the right type of insurance to protect themselves from harm's way. This is critical. Insurance is the first step towards being more resilient. In fact, at the III, we've analyzed and studied this and found that communities that have more insurance recover much better. So as an individual or a business, you want to make sure that you take a look at your insurance policy, make sure that you're covered in a way that you want to be so that you can repair and rebuild if you need to. Make sure you take a look at your policy. There's a declarations page with a one-page summary that will provide you the information in detail. In addition to that, if you have questions, contact your insurance professional.
Absolutely, and we're also still dealing with the pandemic, so you have those added precautions as well. Now, when it comes to storms and the intensity of storms, is it increasing or does it just seem that way because we have access to more information?
Well, if you look at the damage that these hurricanes are causing and other disasters as well, that is increasing dramatically. But a large part of the reason why those numbers are increasing so dramatically is because there's an increase in population as well as wealth for hurricanes right along the coast. More people and more stuff in harm's way, so when you take a hurricane and run it over there, they will cause more damage than they would have done in the past. If you look at the trends in landfalling hurricanes and major hurricanes for the U.S., we don't see any long-term trend. The data is pretty reliable going back to around 1900. But with that being said, we obviously are forecasting a very active hurricane season. As you already noted, we've already had 2 hurricanes make U.S. landfall. We had Hannah and then Isaias. We've had 5 named storms make landfall in the forecast. This is for a very active season. 24 storms, 12 hurricanes, and 5 major hurricanes, which compares to the long-term average of about 12 named storms and 6 hurricanes. So about twice as many named storms and hurricanes as we get in an average year.
This is all great information. Where can you send us so that we can learn more?
Sure. The Insurance Information Institute's website is iii.org. We are a 60-year-old organization dedicated to being a trusted source of information that helps consumers have the right information to empower them to make good decisions to manage their risk.
And of course, if you want to find out more, just log on to our website. It's fox4morningblend.com.